Today we are looking at how you can take your drawings or sketches into Midjourney V4 and transform them into cool images and art. So I will do my own drawings in this video, but I have no idea how to draw, so that's gonna be interesting. Anyways, let's just get started. So of course the first thing you have to do is start by drawing a sketch of whatever you want. So try to apply some colors if you want that implemented in Midjourney. So when you're finished with your sketch, just upload it to your computer or just use your phone and just go to Midjourney, hit the plus sign, upload a file. Here you can see my beautiful monster. Just open that, hit enter. And now we can click on the image here. Just copy URL and go /imagine and paste the URL, make a little space, and just take our prompt here and write it or paste it in behind the URL. So our prompt is gonna be green D&D 5 monster epic background popping color --V4, enter. Now let's just wait and see some results. Okay, so we got some results back. Just click on that, open that, and you can see this is very inspired by what I drew. It's not exactly a 100% match, but you can really shape whatever you want it to be. And the prompt is just to add some aesthetics on top of that. So yeah, this is a very interesting technique. I think you can make a lot of cool stuff with this. So now I'm just gonna do a few other drawings and let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so let's start by looking at the monster I drew, if you can call it that. But this was the first one I got, so that was the D&D monster by Jeff Easley. Very cool. I did a few prompts to get this, but I was very happy in the end. So let's look at the next one. So here I just went with isometric Minecraft chunk. I thought this turned out pretty cute actually. It was quite similar to the input, but I really like that it looks like it's just lying on top of a brick. So that was quite interesting. And then we have this one. That was just a green monster made of modeling clay --V4. This was the one I picked, but there was a lot of other cool ones too. So yeah, that was a really cool prompt if you want to try that. And this was the last one from the monster drawing. So this was like a 2D game monster design, wizardy style, full body drawing, black background --V4. So this was another style I really liked, so I was considering this for a thumbnail too, but I went with the other one. But this really looked similar to the input, right? So that was very cool. So let's look at some other drawings. Okay, so here you can see me trying to draw some kind of a block style. I don't know exactly what I was going for, but I did some green and red colors and I thought out pretty okay. So I combined this with the prompt vector logo vintage t-shirt design blender render --V4, and I got this back. I don't know what it is, but all I know is yeah, I like it. So the next prompt I used here was isometric diorama giant bioluminescent tree intricate details pixel art --V4. So this was the one I liked most from these things. You can just see it takes the block style and add them up, and it uses also the tree I added, and it gets this glowing effect with this luminescent. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, really like this one. And the final one I did for this was just pixel art, high resolution, fine detail, t-shirt design, and --V4. Also, like this one, I really like the use of the blocks and how the pixel art looks. Could have probably put on some more colors on it in the prompt, but anyway, I liked it. So let's move on to the next drawing. Okay, so here I tried to draw like what's supposed to be like a beautiful woman, but that was not the result. But anyway, I thought I'd leave it in and see what we can get from it. Okay, so here we used the prompt beautiful woman Super Nintendo graphics --V4 Q2, and it turned out pretty good. I can see what it tries to do. Like, it has the red lips, it has the brown reddish hair and the blue eyes. So I was quite impressed actually. I really like this one. So here I did the prompt retro wave anime style, Trigger Studio style, --V4. Also like this one, I can see like the resemblance, but it's not gonna be a beautiful woman, is it? But I like the style, thought it was quite cool, so I thought I'd just leave it in here. So yeah, let's have a look at one more from this drawing. So the last one, I just went pixel art 20-year-old woman --V4. Again, turned out quite good, quite crazy that it can take that bad of a drawing into this. So that was quite cool. But if I was a better artist to draw better, I think you could get some pretty cool results from this. So yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here for the last drawing, you can see I just went for, I don't know what I was looking for, just trying to draw some kind of a logo inspiration and some colors. And yeah, as you can see here, I went with the prompt Retrowave, Trigger Studio, inking graffiti art, neon colors, --V4. For some reason, I really like the result here. I'm not very proud of the logo on the left, but the result here was quite cool. I don't know why I like it, but I just thought kind of reminds me of what I drew. It's not exactly a match though, but I guess it's inspired from it. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Okay, so this is the final one. Again, I can't really explain why I like it, but I just find it aesthetically pleasing. The prompt was minimalistic logo, Silicon Valley tech style, 8K sharp focus --V4. You can see there's some text there. I think it's going to describe like Silicon Valley. Who knows? I can see it is inspired from what I put in, but there's no squares, and so I'm not sure, but you can see the color scheme is good. So yeah, I was quite happy with this. Okay, so that was it for today. Maybe you found some inspiration. Check out some of my other videos here about generative AI. Should be something for everyone there. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.